In this video, we will show you the optional iDose system, a system that will make sure you'll always use the right amount of detergent for the job at hand. We have 3 different types of detergent: green, a floor degreaser; blue, a general floor cleaner; and pink, a restroom floor cleaner. Using iDose is very simple. Take an iDose pod and open the injector. Put the iDose pod in like this. Close the injector and push the yellow button. The liquid will now be evenly distributed into the solution tank. There's even a convenient indicator ring, so you'll always know what detergent is in the tank. And when you are done cleaning, you can remove the iDose pod and put it in the recycle bin on the top of the imop.